Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to toggle between Calendar View and Tasks View in Google Calendar. So if you go to the top menu, or top panel of your Google Calendar, you'll notice these two buttons right here. A little picture of a calendar and a little picture of a checkbox being checked in. Right now, the calendar is highlighted because I'm viewing my calendar mode, so I'm basically just viewing events and whatever. If I only want to show tasks that I have saved in Google Tasks, I can click on the check mark and any tasks that I have will show up. It's a different kind of view for this, but it can be very helpful and very productive. If you want to just access your tasks, you can click on that as well. You'll have the option to add tasks. If this calendar is shared with somebody, they can add tasks. So if you use tasks or utilize the different features in tasks and you connect it to your Google Calendars, it's a great way to sort of integrate the two and find that way to be more productive with your time